Hi everyone. Welcome to the DIY channel. Today we're gonna do the installation of a TV mount. By the end of this video, you should be able to safely and securely install your flat panel TV to a wall that has studs inside. However, this video will not be showing how to install to a brick or concrete wall. For more information on that, please refer to the instructions inside the box. Also, please note, today we are installing one of the smaller TV mounts. But if you bought a larger TV mount, don't be surprised. The installation process is exactly the same. For this install you are going to need a power drill, an 8-inch or 3mm drill bit, a metric socket wrench, some blue tape, a tape measure, a Phillips head screwdriver, medium or large size, a flat head screwdriver, medium or large size, and a pencil. You should not need a level, as there is one included in the kit. But if you have a larger one, it can always help to be more accurate. Open the box and inspect all products, ensuring that everything is there. Okay guys, we're here at the wall. We've determined that this is the wall where we're going to install our TV. We've determined how high we want it to already be. These things are all up to you. Now the thing we need to do on our walls, we need to figure out where the studs are in the wall. Since we are mounting to the wall, this is going to be into wood. Now the first thing is, make sure you're at a wall that does not have any electrical conduit, does not have any internet connections, things like that, and of course water pipes. So good to go. Once you've checked all that out, know that this video is for a smaller bracket. But in this series, all of the brackets attach to the wall in the same way, so we're going to be doing a small one. But this goes all the way up to the larger versions. As well, what we have here is a stud detector. The way that this works is, you simply put it on the wall and hold it. And as you move over the wall, it will then show you where the stud is in the wall. We've already done this, and we've already determined that our stud is located right here. We put a pencil line. We've also done another one over here. Most American homes are 16 inches on center. Be sure and check your wall just in case. Especially if you live in an older home, it might have slightly different measurements. Draw a line from the top to the bottom of the area where you think you're going to be installing, and that's going to be your screw line. Now we have the bracket. We're gonna put it up against the wall. We're gonna line it up to make sure that we're on the lines. And we're going to put the approximate location of where we want it to be. Once you've determined where you want your bracket to be, approximately put it on the wall. And inside the kit comes a small level like this. You can attach it to the top and find out where level is. If that's not enough for you, you can also bring a bigger level to the party. Attach it, find out where level is, and then mark your screw holes here. There we go. Now we just need to drill it. For this project, you're going to need an 8-inch drill bit. That's 3mm. I've marked mine with a piece of blue tape at the 4 centimeters mark according to the directions on how deep these screw holes need to be. We're then gonna drill to the depth of the blue tape. Look at that 4 holes. Now that we've got our pilot holes drilled, we can attach the bracket to the wall. Using the provided bolt, make sure you use the washer. Once you've got most of your bolts into the wall, you can reattach the level to make sure you're gonna tighten it to the right location. Alright you guys, here's the brackets. That's gonna go on the back of the TV. You'll see that there's the word up here. Eventually what's gonna happen is just set that one down for a second. This hook. This system will hook on the top of the rail. And then you'll pull this cable at the bottom. And it locks on, and again just put it here. Pull slightly. And it locks on. Alright, let's go. Put them on the back of the TV. And then we'll mount the TV on the wall. On the back of your TV you will find 4 screw holes. And one of the sets of screws included in your kit will fit. Choose the right set that fits the holes on your TV. Once you have selected the right set of screws, begin with the top screw holes. And place one of the black washers on the screw. Screw into the top hole with a couple of turns. Repeat this on the other side as well. Orient the rail with the hooks at the top and the release locks at the bottom of the TV. Slip the slide rail hole over the upper half of the rail. over the screw, and then line up the lower hole on the rail. With the screw in the hole in the TV, slide a plastic washer between the rail and the TV. Then screw it together. Be sure the rail is straight and tighten down securely. Repeat on the other side. And you are ready for the next step. Aren't you guys? You can see. We have the rails mounted on the back of the TV here. They're nice and tight and secure. They're at the level we want them to be now. If this TV is too big for you, I'm a big guy and I can handle it. But please get a helper, alright? So we're gonna turn this around. And we're just gonna pop it on the wall. First of all, we're gonna hang the hooks. You can feel it and then listen to this boom. Locked in place, alright you guys. Our TV is on the wall. It's snapped into place, you heard that. It's good to go, there are no screws to tighten down. It's already locked on, that's where it's gonna be. All you need to do now is tuck in the tabs from the pull mechanisms. And then do some cord management, you're good to go.